Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn English through a beautiful story. The title of a story is How to Improve Your English, the story of Ria. Please listen carefully and repeat the sentences to improve your pronunciation and confidence. Now let's begin. Ria was a shy girl from a small Indian town. She had dreams bigger than her surroundings, but one thing always stopped her English. In her college, everyone spoke English confidently, but when Ria tried, people laughed. Hey Ria, say that again. Her classmates mocked. Her cheeks turned red. Words got stuck in her throat. She smiled weakly and sat down. That night, she looked into the mirror and whispered, why cannot I speak like them? I understand everything, but when I open my mouth, nothing come out. Her younger brother teased her. Didi say something in English. She threw a pillow at him but laughed. Inside she felt pain and determination. She promised herself, one day I will speak English confidently and fluently. I don't know how long it will take, but I will do it. Next morning, she started small. She began watching short English videos with subtitles. At first, she could barely keep up, but she noticed patterns, simple sentences, common phrases, tone changes. When she heard, what's your name? She paused and repeated, what's your name? When she heard, how are you doing today? Replied, I am doing great, thank you. Her mother smiled watching her talk to DTV. Are you practicing English again? Yes, ma. I want to speak like those people. Ria replied proudly. She made it a rule every day 20 minutes of English listening practice. Soon she realized something powerful. Listening is first step to speaking. Ria stood in front of the mirror. She looked at her reflection and said, good morning, Ria. How are you today? At first, she felt silly, but slowly her fear started melting. She practiced small talks. I like coffee. Today I am going to college. I am not perfect, but I learning. Sometimes she recorded herself on her phone. When she listened later, she laughed at her mistakes, but she did not stop. She learned to talk to herself in English every day. This built her confidence and fluency. After 1 month, her accent improved, words started following naturally. Her fears was fading away. One day, Ria English teacher gave her advice. Ria, if you want to think in English, start reading in English. So she began reading simple English stories and short articles. At first, it was difficult. She needed a dictionary for every third word, but she did not give up. Underlined new words and wrote them in a small notebook. She called her word diary. Every night before sleeping, she revised those words and made one sentences with each. Example: word grateful. Sentences: I am grateful to my mother's words challenge. Sentences: speaking English is a challenge, but I can do it. After 3 months, she knew more than English, 500 new English words. One day, Ria met a foreign tourist at a tea stall. Her heart raced. She wanted to talk, but fear stopped her. Then she remembered her mirror practice and took a deep breath. Excuse me, she said nervously. Where are you from? The tourist smiled. I am from Canada. You speak good English. Her face lit up. It was the first time someone praised her English. That small compliment gave her wings. After that, she started joining English speaking clubs online. She practiced daily with strangers. Sometimes she made mistakes, sometimes she froze, but she always come back stronger. Her new month was simple. Don't wait for perfect English. Speak even if you make mistake. 1 year later, Ria stood one on a stage in her college competition. The topic was the power of self-belief. Hundreds of students watched. She took the mic, smiled, and started in English. Her voice did not shake, her grammar was not perfect, but her confidence was unshakable. When she finished, everyone clapped, some even stood applauded. Her professor said proudly, Ria, your English may not be perfect, but your courage is extraordinary. Ria smiled and whispered to herself, this is the girl once could not say a single sentence. Ria's journey teaches us something powerful. First is, don't fear mistake, fear giving up. Second is, speak every day, even to yourself. Third is, listen more than you talk. Fourth is, read daily, even 10 minutes can change your minds. Five is, believe in yourself. Confidence is the best English teacher. If you can do it, you can too. All you need is consistency, patience, and courage to start today. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support gives the strength to bring more spring stories for your English learning journey. Thank you.